Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, we will show you how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks. So let's get started. Before withdrawing, keep the schedules in mind. You can withdraw funds to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card previously used for deposits. Withdrawal can only be sent to a payment method you have previously used to deposit funds. You may need to verify your identity before making a withdrawal. To withdraw money from Prizepicks, follow these steps. Open the Prizepicks app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. If using a browser, then the menu is in the top right. Select Request Withdrawal. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. Enter the withdrawal amount and confirm the request. After submitting your withdrawal request, you will receive a one-time password code via email. Prizepicks will also send a follow-up email to confirm whether your withdrawal was successful. If your withdrawal is unsuccessful, ensure you have previously deposited using the same payment method. Double-check that your bank details are correct. Verify your identity if required. Contact Prizepicks support for further assistance. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw your Prizepicks winnings. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.